So, been working hard, time for a little break. So this is Plasma, and we like it wobbly, and Counter-Strike Global Offenses is the one I've just installed. It was quite a bit, 50 gigabytes, maybe too much. Anyway, it took a while to just actually install it, download it. And I'm waiting to this thing that's stop. Okay, I don't want to stop, I want to start. Go ahead and do your thing. I have a dual screen, so on the right I can still click on here. Probably need to set some things. I've encountered that as well on Eurostrike. That was really awful. Eurostrike, I had to say mirror my screens, otherwise it couldn't work. So just so you know, that's all normal if you have a dual screen. A big if. I think I've done this one last time. I'm not a gamer, but I just want to show you guys it's all gonna work just fine. I do not need to set something about the video maybe. I don't want windowed, I want full screen. And it should be enabled, I guess. Or is there a button down there? There is a button down there, apply changes. Okay, play, go. Cancel search. Should I wait? Should I wait? Should I wait? Friends can join. This is casual, deathmatch, wingman, competitive. Okay. Done. Well, scenario 1AB. Best out of 15 rounds. Don't know if you hear the music, it's playing some tune. Nuke. Casual. Are you ready? Some shooting. One player. Suppose I can choose. This is working like that. That's a jump. Okay, warm up. Let's do a workaround. I wouldn't have gone that way at all. Typically me, I always get stuck somewhere. Ah, I heard something. I'm already stressed out. Okay, I was just shooting in the air. I was shooting in the air, Eric. What were you doing? What weapons do I have? So this is scroll. Where's my weapon? Oh, there it is. Is that a bad guy, good guy? I want to go up as well. That's nice. Eee. And then? Where should I go? Oh, there. Good guy, I guess so. Bad guy, bad guy, bad guy. Whew. Another bad guy. Ah, didn't see that one. Disconnect. Hi, can I start again? I am starting again. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. I'm somebody else. With a click on the button, the left button, I can switch between players. T start. No. Mouse 1 is next player, space is camera, control is overview. I haven't tried that. Control, mouse 1, space is this. How do I reboot? I want to play along, guys. How do I reboot? I want to live again. Kick player samurai. Whoa, vote. Vote passed. I don't know if that's me. But probably. Whoa, 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 whoa. Jesus Christ. You, yeah, that's me. Bomb, 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 bomb. I know. It looks ugly. Okay. Just showing guys the fun you can have on ArcoLinux. A little bit of gaming. And I do ask, if you are a gamer, put some videos out there. Put some videos out there and put the word ArcoLinux in it, and we'll put it on a third-party playlist on YouTube, so people can have a look what kind of games are working. All right, cheers.